Today we're back here at the fort. We're gonna be building. So, see you then. All right, there's a strange creature here. It's starting to sneak up on us.
Is it a wolf? I'm scared.
What is that
That's
thing?
terrifying.
Oh, it sees us. Should we run?
Don't move. I think it's
It's
going
walking away. It's probably hunting for something.
Maybe
What kind of
kookaburras.
What kind of creature do you think it is?
Drop it in the comments.
Well, when it gets away, we'll start on our fort. We're down here, so hopefully we'll be all right. Uh-oh, it's coming at us. Oh, there it goes.
We're gonna be going back over to the pile of trees we found and getting more sticks for our walls.
Hopefully we stay away from that creature.
Then there's gonna be bigger gaps.
Alright. Okay, so we made it over here to the big old trees that we're gonna cut. So we'll start working on it.
What are you cutting, Jeff? They're gonna cut like.
Yeah. Probably something like that.
Then this one can go on the wall.
And then somehow this is gonna be super heavy, that big one. But once we get it out. How many do you think we'll get off of that other tree?
A lot. We'll probably get 2 off this tree, maybe 3, and probably 3, and another 3, and another 3. Well, 1 here, or 2 here.
All right.
1 there, 2 there, 4.
Are we ready? Let's get the cutting. Dang, that's a big tree.
I knew that was gonna happen.
Here you go, again.
I was worried it was gonna get stuck.
There's still a lot of room. Cut from the bottom, kid.
Alright, look out.
Ready?
Am I close?
Yeah.
Bro,
It's been.
footstep is down.
Here, let's step on this.
Hold up. Aaron?
I'm holding. Hey,
What?
what's up?
No, over here, Jeff. On this side of the cut.
Oh, it's just right there. I think that's the foot.
Ow, my foot.
I don't think that's gonna
Just
do
cut it.
Just cut it, Jeff.
From what side?
Right here.
Or the bottom.
Where you said it was still a thing.
This way down there.
Just cut it from the bottom.
Here, help me lift up on this piece.
I think that should be cut. I think it's just wedge.
Okay, now which piece are we taking? So
This one. So let's break all the big pieces. I got a ton of stuff in my boot.
I'm getting that food by myself. Appreciate it, hitting that angle.
I ain't hitting that anymore.
Hey, where's the chainsaw? That's gonna make it way easier.
Go.
Go
You
cut
wanna
him,
cut
Jed.
that one?
Go get him, Jed. Here, you got it.
I'm gonna follow this one in the hand. We'll cut this one first. We could probably use that one. I wonder where that creature went. Where do you think? I think it went down that way somewhere.
Not run into it.
It goes all the way down here.
Cut it.
Does it connect?
Oh, there's the creature, guys. There's the creature. Get in this bush. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right
Starting to come.
down there.
Get your weapons.
Hide in the bush.
Guys, let's hide.
Guys, hide in the bush. I hope it's leaving.
Oh, it's leaving. You must be scared of our noise. Well, that was close. I thought it was gonna come get it.
Close encounter with the creature.
What should we call it?
I think we should call it Ellie.
Ellie?
Yeah.
That's not a mean creature name. How about like,
We don't know if it's mean yet or not.
that was kind of wagging its tail, but you can't trust it. So let's try to get this one out of here.
Yeah.
Let's move this one first.
Look out.
Cut that one.
Here, Rye, help Jeb pull this one.
Oh, where are we? Should we just go down with it?
Yeah, right where.
Yeah, please.
Down.
Move.
Are we gonna need it?
Oh yeah, I guess we can use it.
We'll just get it
Let's
back.
just try. Here, let's just put it over this one. Try to get this fuse in there. Okay, that's good. Don't let it fall. What do we want it? Oh yeah, that's not connected that much. Let's try to get
it's gonna be heavy.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to plan the pieces together.
We'll see how heavy it is. We probably will have to, but it's worth a try. How bad is it?
It's pretty heavy.
Let's just try to get one end out. Or like that end up there maybe.
Okay.
What's the best route out?
Up here.
Yeah, I guess that's
Honestly, if we got it on ice, we could probably just slide it there.
Yeah, but there's a bunch of bushes.
And we'd have to take it up the steep cliff.
Yeah, that's not a good idea. Let's see this one.
Jeez, Jeb, you already fell.
Yeah?
5 minutes in.
We could cut. We should. Why don't we grab our measuring board
Yeah.
and measure it and cut it?
Or if we
Come
could
on.
just all three carry it back
I think that's good. Because we don't know
and then
for
cut
sure
it
if we're
there.
gonna use that for this. We might use something.
We could use it for something else.
Like beams maybe? To hold up our roof maybe? What do you mean?
No, like from the ground,
Like this
right
one.
in the middle to
Oh.
hold the roof.
For support. Like pillars.
Like, dig it in.
Like dig a hole. Oh, man.
Let's try to lift this end. This one.
I don't know if we're going to.
What's the try? Ready? Go!
You gotta get all these other branches out. Because they're getting small. There's one right there.
Squeeze.
It's almost under there. Are we gonna try now?
Might as well.
Alright.
We can probably cut off some of that end on that side.
Yeah, I don't think. But it might be easier to lift from that end.
Yeah.
'Cause it's
Let's try to all lift this end out. Right, you wanna go right there?
here, break this.
Let's try.
Here, right. Why don't I just roll it quick and cut? Right?
It doesn't work like that.
Okay,
I
cut.
honestly think this is better to lift on.
Yeah. Or can we make a trail?
Let's try to make a trail. Someone has a
Here,
trail.
go like this. Right here. Right here. And just straight through there. There's already kind of a trail.
Yeah.
Let's take this inside.
Let's try. I don't think we even need to.
You just need a stomp on that. We should be able to do it. We should be able to just get that.
This thing just must have died and fell over.
Yeah,
Like, probably this summer, do you think?
probably.
Because it's still really heavy. It's not rotted
It's
at
not
all.
rotten. Okay. Who wants to get where?
Should we try to drag? I mean, we can try all three lifting.
I'll lift this end.
probably.
Huh?
You in the middle? Or you in the middle? Here, get that off.
Well, middle's gonna be the lightest.
No, well, not lifting it up. I think getting it up is going to be the hard part.
We can just get it to hip.
Let's try to drag it. But
Right there.
drag, I don't know.
Just lift it.
Let's see if we can.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Holy fuck.
We cut it. I think we could get it if it was in half.
Or like up here. Cut it like right
Well, if we want to make it a support me,
right here
I'll
would
just
be
do
like
it just as tall as I am,
or a little taller.
or a little taller.
So like
Well,
we could just do it like right here.
Here, see how far it's dropped right there. How far does it go to here?
No, here.
Right here.
Yeah, do like right below.
Here, let's just set this off. Mark this spot. Alright, I'm gonna set it. Keep going from right here.
12 feet.
Here, keep going from right here. 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's take feet this way, yeah.
Do a little taller than Ride, like right below those notches. Or like
Yeah, that's right.
or a little higher. Cause we want some
Well, that's
room.
probably like 7 feet right here.
What is it, both ways?
Okay,
Where's the
let's cut it.
chainsaw?
It's like there.
I don't
Not
know.
the other
Put
two.
it in here.
What?
Oh, not right.
Well, I don't think we're gonna get it out.
Bro, this would be a good one too.
I only get like 2.
Huh?
I only get like 2.
But it'd be easy to cut.
And it'd be light.
Here? Alright, I hope this doesn't get down.
We can always pick it up.
that. That's a tree. Oh,
There we go.
put that up there.
We
How
definitely.
did I get a bunch of red? Oh yeah. Here, get that one first.
Holy. It's like a feather.
Are we going up there?
Wait, guys, there's a fucking.
Right in my wiener hole.
Here.
What did you taste?
Ow!
What is it include? My wiener. Today,
bad is
Queef.
How heavy is your hand? Get it.
Damn.
That's where you're waving that thing.
Me and Jeb are covered.
It's sparked. I don't know what it is.
Ah.
Hey! That's a slippery spot.
Are we all alright?
I tripped.
Ow, my knee.
I thought it was gonna
Pick it up.
I'm going down.
Guys, I got a whole bunch of stuff in my
Who
door.
cares? You'll be fine.
Come on, grab it. We should have brought a string and just pulled it.
There's no good way to lift this thing up. Jeb, come my way more. Here, you lift first.
Everybody
please.
sit down.
My foot's under this thing. Pick it up. Queef,
Alright.
you lift first.
Okay, I'm sweating.
Oh, let's take a break.
Yeah. Snack break.
How much do you think this thing weighs?
200, 300 pounds.
It does not weigh 200 to 300 pounds.
I bet it does.
Probably only like 150 pounds.
There's no way it's only 150. I don't weigh the same as this thing. It weighs more than this.
No way.
It definitely weighs more than this.
Yeah, no. It weighs more than that.
I doubt it's much more.
Or like 250.
It's not more than a cattle cub. It's just awkward to hold.
I
Yeah,
think
'cause
once we get it up.
I'd pick it up and my hands would slide off.
Well, yeah, it starts rolling. Like you have it like this and it rolls off.
Ready? If you lift up first, I'll lift up last. Okay.
Are you good? There we go. Let's start rolling this up. Are we all good?
You gotta lift it on my shoulders. Hurry! This is going bad.
Ow! Is it up?
No.
How do you?
Okay.
You good? Holy. That's a tree. That looks like a much better way to carry it. Is it? Just right down this hill. And we're there. Are you good?
Put it down.
There's the creature. Ellie is what we're gonna call her. Do you think she's been living here? Where'd she go? down there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Holy. She's scary. She seems pretty harmless right now. She's really looking around. I don't know. Alright, so we decided we're gonna fix that branch there. Rylan cut it last time we were down here with the hatchet on accident. And so we're gonna fix that. And then those sticks over there that we put against that wall for that, we're gonna put here because that wall kind of is already blocked, but this one is really out in the open. So we're gonna put them on this wall.
Yep,
That side is tight. Alright, which one is the one that we're doing?
I'm gonna start moving trees. You drank a Gatorade already.
You drank the whole thing? Okay. Hug around. And then back in. Just on the tree. And then top. How much do you have?
Guys, put it on this.
Oh, shoot. Are they all that height? Oh, yeah, they.
They don't blend with the trees right. So we're gonna have to do everything. What are we gonna do to seal our fort?
I don't know. That's for later.
Mud the whole thing?
So we put this down. It won't be hard. Which this wasn't be the height I liked, but we're not gonna have that many trees that long. Someone slide these.
All we should do. We should probably make this
Low.
wall higher. So we can just make like a lean-to.
Alright, leave it.
You're making it shorter?
This one we don't have things on it. Should we kind of split?
No, I don't do it. It's okay. It's held up by the others.
Alright, let's start moving them over. I'm not a lean. Oh, it's so hot. Here's a big one.
Big coming.
I'll place them. Oh, yeah. Now here, this is a prime. That's what we want. We could copy and paste like 100 of these. That'd be awesome.
I ain't gotta make more. I think we should cut this. We can get that stick we got last time before the wizard.
The Quizzer?
Why does
A
that fit so
blizzard.
good? And then should we string these? I don't know.
We're gonna have to find something.
What's that?
Bro, how much sticks we're gonna cut down to just do one wall?
Yeah, but that's what we're up to do.
Bro, we're gonna have like 357 videos of just building a fort.
Alright,
But once we get all the walls up, we'll progress. We'll go fast. And we'll just have time lapses of building the walls. 'Cause it'll be kind of boring with watching it. We just cut that one by Rye and by you, and then all that up.
ready? Alright, so we're gonna cut this one off here. And then scrape all these little branches off. See if I can get it cut here.
It's sparking.
Don't cut it at an angle, cut it straight on.
I think this blade is getting dull. Right here?
Just go out a little more so you can cut it straight. Alright, push down on it.
Huh?
Nothing, just keep going.
I'm gonna push down and then it's just gonna go.
I know, but once you get so fast.
Alright, so we got that one cut up from down there. And they're gonna take that out. So we'll see you when we get back to our fort. Alright, so Ethan is gonna go try to find some trees. Me and Rylan are gonna stay here and try to put up some more of these and then maybe go back over to that other tree. So there's the creature again. Ellie, I think she's got a, what does she got? Ellie, it's okay. What do you got? Oh, it's a deer leg. Ellie. Oh, I think she's happy. Uh-oh. Nice puppy. Nice puppy. She's tame. Yeah, she's got a deer leg.
Okay, so Ethan's been gone for about 45-30 minutes, and I think it's about time to look for him. It's getting dark, and hopefully he's okay.
Ethan, are you there?
Okay,
We
let's
should go look.
He went this way, guys. Hopefully we can find him before he gets.
Because once
He
it's,
hasn't been responding at all.
we tried calling him too. Hopefully he's all right. I'm gonna try to go this way. It's really, this is the way I think he went. You good? Ethan? Are you there? Oh, I heard something over there. Are you coming?
Yeah, I'm on.
Okay, let's start looking out this way. Ethan? Oh. Ethan? Are you alright? He's got a chainsaw in his hands. Are you alright?
Scared me.
What are you doing?
Just taking a nap.
Oh,
A long walk over here. I got tired.
did you find any trees?
No,
So you just walked over here and just took a nap.
basically.
We've been working on the fort for like an hour.
Yeah,
I'm getting a little worried.
Well, the guy needs some rest.
yeah. Well, good thing you're alright. We just come to check on you.
That's all for today.
We got a lot done, but not really. It doesn't look like we got a lot done, but we definitely got a lot done. Put in some hours.
So we got that. We got the main thing is we got this big old huge tree out of here.
That we're sitting on.
7
It makes
foot.
It makes a really good chair. I'll tell you that much. But it was really heavy to carry out.
Me and Ethan struggled.
Good thing Ethan was okay from his nap. He just decided to take a nap.
I just got tired.
He scared us.
Thanks for watching.
Make sure to like.
And subscribe. Peace out.
Alright, so what should we do
I don't know.
today?
We're gonna be continuing our fort. Rylan,
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What?
Okay,
Hey, we
Rylan,
gotta
so
cut
come
these
over here
long.
and we'll work.
Guys, are you okay?
Oh, my hip.